And the thing is, when I look back over the last several years of my life, I kind of was just haphazardly trying to accomplish my goals. I didn't have any real direction. And doing this vision board has really helped me streamline. And what I found is doing the vision board helped me also create a 12-week plan. And having the 12-week plan also helped me create a 1-month plan. And having a 1-month plan helps you create a 1-week plan. And a 1-week plan helps you create a day-to-day plan. It all goes together. Hi friends, welcome back to my 30-day series on how to become a food content creator in 2025. Today, on day 29, we're talking about why you need to create a vision board for your content creation journey. So the first thing I'm going to say is that creating a vision board is a form of manifestation, but it also creates a clear visual goal of what it is that you want to accomplish. I think when you're creating content, it's very easy to kind of get lost in trends and get lost in trying to emulate the things that you see are helping other people become successful. But creating a vision board is going to help you figure out what your aesthetic is, what your voice is, what your dream partnerships are, what your content vibes are, what you're aspiring to. And it's important to keep that in mind because obviously there's going to be bumps in the road and there's going to be times where you post something or you film something and it's not going to go the way that you think it should go, and you're going to want to change course. You're going to take it as, okay, well, it's not working. I need to do something completely different. When you have a vision board and you have an idea of what your goals are and you're clear on that, it is easy for you to go back and look at that and say, okay, where did what I just did not align with what's here? And then adjust accordingly, as opposed to trying to adjust to what you see other people doing. The second reason it's important to vision board is because it programs your brain to see opportunity. So this is called the reticular activating system. And what happens when you have a goal in mind and you actually set a clear goal and then do a vision board is that your brain starts to filter the world in a different way. It starts to actually see, oh, this is a good place to film. Oh, this is a good shot for that. Oh, this is a great place to get content. It's going to start to think in terms of alignment with your goal. And instead of just like seeing something and moving on without acknowledging it, your brain will jump into action for you. Your brain is your biggest tool for creating your success as long as you tell it what to do. So if you tell your brain, we are UGC creators, we're content creators, I'm a food influencer, I'm a food blogger, your brain is going to start to look for ways to confirm that for you. And having a vision board and actually sitting down and saying, this is exactly what we're going to do, will program your brain to look for opportunities to create what you told it you wanted to do. The third reason why it's important to do a vision board as a part of your content creation journey is because it reinforces consistency. So I have a vision board right behind my desk. And seeing your vision board every day is going to help you stay motivated when your engagement is low, when you're too tired to edit, when you're overlooking at your phone, when you've run out of ideas and you just want to give up. Seeing that vision board is going to help you stay consistent because it's constantly reinforcing like, oh, this is what we're doing. If you don't have a vision board and you tell yourself you're going to do something on Monday, you'll probably notice that you said over 1 million different things in your life that you're going to do. And then you look up 4 or 5 days later or 4 or 5 weeks and realize, oh, I completely forgot I said I was going to do that. The thing that the vision board does is reinforce consistency. And so on the times when you're ready to give up and you're just kind of like, oh, I'm over this, I don't want to do it, you're going to see that vision board and it's going to kick you back into gear again. And so I think it's important to have it somewhere where you see it every day, because if you're looking at it every day, that reticular activating system is going to continue to be put to work because it's constantly filtering out things that are not aligned with the goals that you have set for yourself. And then the final reason why you need to have a vision board is because it builds confidence. So as you accomplish the goals that you set out for yourself that you see on this vision board, it's going to encourage you to continue when you see the road kind of getting a little bit rocky. So if I put 5 things on a vision board in January and in June I've accomplished 3 of them, even though those last 2 might feel light years away from where I am, I'm going to stay the course because I've already accomplished 3 out of the 5 things on my vision board. If I've accomplished 4 things on my vision board, I'm even more inspired. If you look at the vision board in June though and you haven't accomplished anything, what that's going to do is signal to your brain, oh, we need to get to work. So the vision board is not only important for helping you stay consistent and helping you stay aligned with your goals, but it also is important for building your confidence, because as you continue to accomplish things, it's going to encourage you to accomplish more things. And I think with content creation, it can be very discouraging when things are not going the way that you want them to go. But if you're aligned in your goals and you have them set in a clear and defined way, it's going to propel you forward when it feels like you should stop. So the vision board that I made at the top of 2025, I've accomplished several things on this vision board, and this was very general. I didn't get super specific. I wanted to eat healthier, check. I wanted to make more money as a content creator, check. I wanted to be more consistent in my content creation, check. I wanted to read more, check. Like, there are things that I have accomplished, and I haven't done everything on the list. But because I've done these kind of major things, this content creation thing was huge for me because I was very inconsistent before. So the fact that I've accomplished a 30-day series and that I've posted consistently on social media since February, this is massive for me. But doing those things has also created financial opportunities for me. And so even though I haven't accomplished some of the other things on the vision board, I'm encouraged to keep going because I see that it's working. So if you are trying to become a food content creator or any kind of content creator, do a vision board so you know exactly where you're going, and so that your brain can start to align you to the paths that are going to create the life that you see for yourself in your vision board. I was never a vision board person until like 2 years ago, and I have found that doing a vision board has helped me manifest so much of what I've wanted to accomplish in my life. And the thing is, when I look back over the last several years of my life, I kind of was just haphazardly trying to accomplish my goals. I didn't have any real direction. And doing this vision board has really helped me streamline. And what I found is doing the vision board helped me also create a 12-week plan. And having the 12-week plan also helped me create a 1-month plan. And having a 1-month plan helps you create a 1-week plan. And a 1-week plan helps you create a day-to-day plan. It all goes together. And so having that outline for how you want your content creation journey to go is going to help you get more granular in how you approach it on a day-to-day basis. So I hope this was helpful. If you have not watched all the other videos in the series, please go back and watch those. And then make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you here tomorrow for day 30 of this series, where we're gonna shoot your first video. And ideally, you will put the link to your video in the comments and we can all support each other. But I'm very proud of us, and I'm very proud of you all for sticking with it. And I wish the best for you on your food content creator journey. And I will see you here tomorrow to shoot your first video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.